Hello guys, in this video let's study how we can find custom logs in App Insights. So we have a Azure function, that is function 1, and it has App Insights configured. Then we will log a message in this function 1 as below, that is logger.log error, some error has occurred. And let's find such log in App Insights in transaction search. And guys, finding or tracing such logs is important while we are debugging production issues. So guys, we are in Azure portal and let's open this function app, and here we can see two functions, that is function 1 and function 2. And now let's add our custom log in this function 1. So let's go to the Visual Studio, and again this is our function app, and here we have this function 1 and function 2. And now in function 1 on line number 20 I will simply paste this line, that is log.log error, some error has occurred. So let's deploy this function app into the Azure portal, and then we'll run it, and then we'll check how we can find this log in App Insights. So right click, I will say publish, and here again I will say publish, and you can see publish is successful. Now let's go to the portal, let's retrieve URL for this function 1 and let's run that function 1. So let's open function 1, get function URL, let's copy this URL and let me open new browser, paste it over here, and let's run it. Function has been successfully executed. And now let's go back to the Visual Studio, let's copy this text message, and this log, it must have been logged in App Insights, and let's search that. So I will copy it, let me duplicate this tab, I'll go home, let's open App Insights, and this is the App Insights which is configured with our function app. Let's open it, let's open investigate, and under that let's click on this transaction search, and here I will say last 30 minutes, apply, and here under this search text field let's enter that text and let's press enter, and here you can find it. If I open it, and here you can see the message which we have logged.